Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
A torus is a donut-shaped solid formed by rotating a circle. Define the minor radius r as the radius of the circle being rotated. Define the major radius r as the distance from the rotation axis to the circle center. The volume formula is V equals 2 pi 2 r r2 written with digits. This formula uses pi approximately 14,159 and includes both radii explicitly. Use consistent units, so result comes out in cubic units like cm3. Keep r greater than r for a standard ring torus geometry. Derive the torus volume using the Pappus-Centroid theorem for revolved areas. Start with the area of the generating circle, A equals pi r2, where r is minor radius. The centroid of that circle travels a circular path with circumference 2 pi r when rotated. Multiply the area by the path 2 pi r to obtain V equals 2 pi 2 r r2. You can also integrate cylindrical shells and obtain the identical 2 pi 2 r r2 formula. Ensure algebraic simplification and consistent units before evaluating any numeric substitution. Compute an example with r equals 5 cm and r equals 2 cm to demonstrate numeric substitution. Plugging values yields V equals 2 pi 2 times 5 times 2 2, which simplifies to V equals 40 pi 2 cm3. Numerical approximation gives V approximately 40 times 9. 8,696, which is about 394. 78 cm3. Round to appropriate significant figures based on measurement precision, for example to 3 digits. If r equals r, the torus becomes a horn torus, and the volume formula still applies. If r is
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.